अली खान की न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग जारी, आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Of regional and global issues, including the recent developments in the region, he also engaged with the Pakistani community in Kuala Lumpur. On the invitation of the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey, Hakan Fidan, co-chair of the Joint Commission under the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council, HLSCC, framework, and the Minister of National Defence, Yasser Goler, co-chair of the Joint Ministerial Commission, visited Islamabad on 9 July 2025. The Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister welcomed the visiting dignitaries and underscored the close and brotherly relations between Pakistan and Turkey. He appreciated the growing momentum in bilateral cooperation and stressed the importance of expanding collaboration in areas such as trade, investment and energy. The Turkish Foreign Minister conveyed warm greetings from President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and reaffirmed Turkey's strong desire to deepen cooperation with Pakistan. He highlighted the profound historical, cultural and religious bonds that underpin the enduring relationship between the two countries. The two sides also exchanged views on a range of regional and global developments. They reaffirmed their shared commitment to peace, security and development in the region. The first meeting of the Joint Commission, co-chaired by the two foreign ministers to review the progress of the 12 joint standing committees under the HLSCC framework, was also held on 9 July 2025. A high-powered delegation led by Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Syed Tariq Fatmi, as well as Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Industries and Production, Haroon Akhtar Khan, who is also the focal point for Pakistan Steel Mills project, called on Russia's Deputy Prime Minister, Alexei Overchuk, in Moscow today. The two sides reviewed the entire range of bilateral relations in all areas of mutual interest, including political, trade and economic cooperation, as well as energy, connectivity, industrial and agriculture cooperation. Furthermore, SAPM Mr. Tariq Fatmi underlined that Pakistan attached high importance to its relations with the Russian Federation. Russia as a international arena. Gave an overview of the Pakistan that had ensured macroeconomic stability achieved under the present government. The two sides also touched upon regional and international issues such as situation in South Asia, Afghanistan and the Middle East, as well as bilateral cooperation between Pakistan and Russia at all multilateral fora. The inaugural round of the additional secretary level mechanism between foreign ministries of Pakistan and Afghanistan was held on 7 July 2025 in Islamabad, pursuant to the decisions reached during the visit of the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister of Pakistan to Kabul, of Afghanistan, Mufti Noor Ahmad Noor. Discussions covered key areas of bilateral interest, including trade and transit cooperation, repatriation of Afghan refugees, security and connectivity. Both sides recognized terrorism as a serious threat to regional peace and security. The Pakistan side emphasized the need for concrete actions against terrorist groups operating on the Afghan soil, noting that such groups undermine Pakistan's security and hinder regional development. Both sides reaffirmed their support for sustained engagement to address mutual challenges. They recognized lasting security as a cornerstone for both the region's optimal development as well as for further advancement of bilateral relations. They decided to convene the next round of additional secretary level talks at mutually convenient dates. The ninth round of bilateral political consultations between Pakistan and the Republic of Poland was held in Warsaw, Poland on 4 July 2025. The Pakistan delegation was led by Additional Foreign Secretary Europe, Ambassador Mohammad Ayub, while the Polish delegation was headed by Secretary of State at the Polish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Bartoszewski. The Ambassador of Pakistan to Poland, Mohammad Samiur Rahman, and the Polish Ambassador to Pakistan, Mr. Pisarski, were also present during the consultations.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा शफकत अली खान की हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग जारी थी। उन्होंने कहा कि नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक डार की मलेशिया के वज़ीर आज़म और मुख्तलिफ हम मनसूबों से मुलाकात हुई है। आपको बताते चलें कि इस्लामाबाद में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा शफकत अली खान की हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग जारी थी। नायब वज़ीर आज़म की दावत पर तुर्की के वज़ीर खारजा और वज़ीर दिफा ने पाकिस्तान का दौरा किया।